gonna do that.
Let go.
Please let go of my phone.
Okay.
You don't need
Just
that.
stop.
Let go.
Just stop.
Chris,
You're making
I
it
have
way
four
harder
cops
than it needs to be.
I'll talk
right
to Chris
now.
if you'd like.
You're making it way harder than it needs to
Can I
be.
just please get to work already, please? Why am I
way
being
harder.
told?
Stand up.
There is absolutely no need for this.
Okay.
I'm running a fever right now. Please let me go. I'll get my ID, but let me
Relax.
go. My
Relax.
brother has fucking cancer, man. Let me go, please.
Mitzi, you just need to calm down.
Let
Relax
me
your
go.
arm.
Well, please let me go. Can I grab my... Can I check my wallet for my ID, please?
Yeah, we're gonna fingerprint you. You need to stand up and follow directions. You don't need to get a felony. Follow directions.
Who's on the phone?
My boss.
Okay.
You're making this a lot more difficult than it needs to
I
be.
have my ID in my bag.
We asked you for it.
She says her boss.
Everything's on camera, okay?
Okay, well, here's the deal.
Let's go past him.
We're done. You're gonna get a ticket,
That's fine.
and since you changed your attitude, you're gonna go on your way. All
That's
right?
fine.
So just take some deep breaths, calm down.
We'll pull you out of cuffs and we'll be done here.
As soon as he's done writing your ticket, I'm gonna take those handcuffs off. You're gonna get your stuff, and you're gonna go about your business today. Okay? Took 10 minutes out of your day. All right? I know it sucks getting a ticket. We've all been there, but you gotta have the right fare when you get on the train. Okay?